Hi everyone. Today I'm doing the dip technique on some tiles. Okay. What I'm doing is I'm using a lot of my leftover paints that I have. I want to use them up so I can start new colors, and they don't seem to work. They don't seem to work for blooms anymore, or even swipes. Maybe swipes they work for, but not for blooms. So I'm going to do dips on these tiles. I'm going to add a base coat here and here. I'm going to add my paint, my colors to this one. Randomly, I'm just going to drizzle them on. And then I'm going to place that one on top, turn it over, and then lift off. So that's what I'm doing. My base is some of my leftover colors, and this is a lot of different Prussian blues and some TLP sapphire in here. I've got brilliant magenta in here. I think there might be 2 magentas in here. I think it's Joe Sonia. I've got agapanthus and mixed with Windsor Violet in here. There's not much. And I'm using Twinkle and Brulee in here. Okay, so I'm adding the paint to the tiles, and then I'm going to spread them out with this little piece of comb. You don't need a whole lot of paint on the base. You need to spread it out thin. Not like you you don't add the base like you do with a bloom or with a swipe. Okay. All right. I'm going to add the paint in here so that I can squeeze it and then drizzle it how I want. Because if I do it from here, I'll end up getting big blobs, and I don't need a lot of this paint either, because then it'll be too thick and it won't dry well. So I think I'm going to put on this first. If I don't have enough, I might use some ball gown or Pinot Gris. Pinot Gris ball gown. Oh, I almost... Oh, I can't use it all. I don't know if I'm going to use the agapanthus. I might just use the magenta. Oh, hope I have enough for the next one. Okay, now magenta. Just a little bit of the agapanthus, just to okay. Now I'm going to place my tile on here, and it squishes the paint down so it gets pretty slippery, so you have to hold it. Okay, so now I'm going to grab it and I'm going to turn it over like that. I'm just getting the sides now while I'm here. Whoops, slid a bit. Okay, so now I'm going to lift it up this way. I'm holding down the bottom one with one hand and then lifting up, and it takes a little bit of pressure because it's suctioned on. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. I like that. Pretty neat. Look like trees almost. All right, I'm going to just torch it. Torch any air bubbles out. And being careful because I'm on plastic. Ended up getting still more paint on here. Okay. Hey, that's kind of cool. Cool. All right. So I'm just going to put these aside and do two more. Oh, I'm going to show you a close-up, I guess. Forgot. Very cool. I like it. I like it. Okay, drape all the sides. Oh, I missed that side. have my other ones here drying on under this tote, so I don't have much room here to work with. Okay, 2 more. Make sure you can see this. I'll just move my camera a bit. There we go. A gorgeous color. Sapphire is really pretty. GLP sapphire. Okay. Okay. Same colors, same order. It's just gorgeous color. Okay, it's really slippery. Again, really nice. This one actually looks nicer than that one. And I have just keep them over here. Okay, I'm just going to fix the size and I'll show you a close-up. Or I'll just show you a close-up. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to torch bubbles. Just a minute. Okay. There's that one. All right, that's it for today. Oops, I will let them dry. And hopefully they'll dry well. I'm going to cover them just in case. Yeah, I think they're pretty cool. Okay, I'm back with the dried result. They dried really nice. I'm going to probably resin these. They're not resined right now. Tiny little cells on this one. And this one. Okay. So, there you go. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day, and see you in my next one. Bye for now.